Welcome back to the channel, guys. What we're doing today, I don't know if you could tell by the title of the video, but we're doing a tail light install. And I might even show you a little bit about the car. So stay tuned, and we're going candy cane. So after stopping and picking up the lights, I noticed that the Air Force Base is flying the jets today. I had to stop and watch. After 20 minutes of waiting, here they come. At least one of them. So sick. Alright guys, back to the tail light install. See you in the garage. Alright guys, I'm back in the garage, about to do the light install. Now, I could show you exactly how it's done, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You got a bunch of 10mm bolts, and that's about it. So, let's let the candy cane mod begin. Alright guys, I just finished it. Now tell me this does not look 10 times better. Now that, my friends, is a pretty good and cheap mod. I paid $30 for these on OfferUp. If you don't know what OfferUp is, go to your app store or whatever you have and download it, because you can get some pretty smoking deals. Also, I wanted to show you guys something else that I didn't get to record. And that is this little dude. I got me a little push start button because my last Civic was actually stolen and I didn't have anything. I figured this will help a little bit. I still want to maybe get some clutch club, possibly steering wheel club, but I'm thinking about definitely getting a quick release steering wheel. So I think those two things, or three things together, will help improve it from getting stolen big time. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one.